Wow, those three boys are eating chicken man. I think I'm hungry. Mommy! Mommy!
Yes, baby.
Mommy, please, I'm hungry.
Okay, can I bring you the food at the kitchen?
No. Today I don't want to eat at home.
Okay, can we go to H&P to eat there?
No.
Really?
Today I want to go and eat at Chicken Man.
Really?
Yep, Mom.
Okay, let me call Daddy so Daddy will send us to Chicken Man. Hello. Good afternoon. How are you? I'm fine too. What do you like to order?
Jollof rice.
Jollof rice. You have the 210, 160, and 79. So, which one are you going for? 100. Okay, sure. So I'll give you the 79. Okay. Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Pizza man. Girl, be say me rambe in the Valentine, I drop on the pizza man. I say me forget the chocolates, now up a full bucket of chicken man. Me work for so that they make I give you number other one. El Chamano Spice.
This is your boy Denzel. I am here to taste their food.
Oh my god. Oh la la. Ha 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 ha.
Yummy.
Pizza man.
Fans and viewers, this is Chicken Man. They sell jollof rice, fried rice, and pizza. You can come here with your parents, your wife, and your girlfriend. Chicken Man, you are the best. Chicken Man, Chicken Man, mwah.